Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw another strange character from Baldi's Basic. This time it's Let's Drum. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this strange character, and to begin we're going to start out with his hat first. We're going to draw a little curve, and it's going to be at a little slant. So it's kind of tilted this way. And then from there we'll go up. Just give it some thickness here, so same curve. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna go up. So on this side, we're just gonna go straight up. On this side, we'll come up, and then give kind of like a little bump right here in the end. And then now we'll just curve it and connect everything. Okay, and then for the visor area, it's a little bit different. On this side, just draw like a little bracket like this first, and then start on this corner and just go around and connect everything. Okay, so that's the hat, and now for his face, it's gonna be a little bit rounder, so we're just gonna come down from the corner here, little bracket, and then start on this side. Same thing, just a little bracket, and then we'll just come across, just round it out and finish off the head shape. And let's draw in the hair on the side right here. So just a little bump. And then one more in here. Okay, and then now for the eye, which is really strange. So it's just gonna be like two egg shapes right here. And that's gonna be all red. And then for his nose, we're just gonna add in two little dots for the nostrils. And then for the mouth, just one little line. So very strange and kind of creepy as well. Okay, and then now for his shirt, just slant out for the shoulder. And then we're gonna come straight down for his shirt. Close it off. Okay, and then for the sleeves, just come down and then just go back into the body. Slant down and then come back in. And I know there's some details, we'll draw that later. Let's just go ahead and draw in his shorts first. So this one's really easy. Just come down on each side. Come back toward the middle. Just leave a little bit of a space. And then here we'll just angle it up, and that's gonna be a short. All right, and then he's got those strange arms, so this one's really big. So we're gonna start here, just flare out. It's almost like a monster hand. And then this side, we just curve it all the way around. And then for the fingers, we'll keep it simple. At one line here, that's gonna be his thumb, and then for the other fingers, I'm just gonna draw two small lines there. Okay, and then the other side, the arm is, I guess, more of a normal shape, but it's kind of skinny. So draw one line here and come back here to the armpit. Just come down. Here's his thumb. And then on the other finger, we're just gonna curve down and then just hook it back up into that corner. And then for his drum stick, we just start from the arm right here, or the hand. Come down and then draw it again, but just taper in so that it's nice and sharp on the ends. And then we'll continue down the back, so we'll see part of it. Just go up. Just kind of close it off. So that's going to be the end of the drumstick. Okay, and then now let's draw in his legs, which is going to be equally strange as his arm here. So this one's really big. So we'll start here. This one's easier. Just come down straight. And go down like this. And then we're going to draw one big bump here. So we're going to come out. And then just curve it back into this corner. Alright, and the other leg's really skinny, so start here Just slant it down right around here. Okay, just come down, really skinny at the end, and then just one little shape here, nice and sharp. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the form, and now let's add in the little details. So let's come back up here and add in the drum. So the drum is pretty easy, we just draw one curve like this first, and then now we'll draw the same curve, but just opposite on the bottom. Alright, and then on the sides here, just come down straight, and then we have to close it with this curve here. So same curve. Alright, and then for the details on the drum, just add two curves like this. Just follow the same curves as the one on the outside. And then now for the lines, I'll just pick a point, and I'm just gonna zigzag all the way through. Okay, and then for the line across the chest here for the drum. And for his short, I'm just gonna add a little X there for the strings. Okay, and then he's got some hair, which is really nasty looking here. So just have some fun with it, just adding these little lines. Goes all over his body. Okay, actually looks like he's got some up here too as well. So. And that is it for this Let's Strum from Baldi. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.